Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. And if you are new here to my channel, I am Chef Christy and I share a wide variety of delicious recipes every single week. So if you have not subscribed yet, I hope that you consider to do so. And also, if you hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So recently, I have been making some very simple and basic meals using only a few ingredients, and it's really just using what I have in my kitchen. We're under quarantine, it's hard to get out to the store, so I'm just using things that I have on hand, and today is another one of those dishes, and it is so delicious and comforting, and it is for Poppy Seed Chicken Casserole. Now this is one of those meals that you can just whip together really quick. I remember the first time I ever had this dish, a really good friend of mine from church brought this over after I'd had surgery, and my whole family just fell in love with it. And I've been making this poppy seed chicken ever since. And it is just super easy and it's quick and kids love it. So I'm excited to share this recipe with you. It is storming out, y'all. It is storming. I don't know if you can hear the thunder. But let me go over these ingredients with you. I am using a 2-pound, 8-ounce bag of the boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. You can use the chicken breasts as well if you have that. 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. I have 16 ounces or 2 cups of sour cream, 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 stick of butter, 1 sleeve of the butter crackers, some poppy seeds, and salt and pepper. Okay, I'm just going to open my bag of chicken and pour it in a pot. Then I'm going to cover this with water and bring this up to a boil until the chicken is completely cooked. I am going to salt my water. All right, that should take a few minutes, or about 20 minutes. Okay, so next I have a large bowl and I'm just going to mix together my sour cream, my soup, and my Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and black pepper. Okay, next I have a medium-sized bowl and I'm going to melt my butter, 1 stick of butter into this bowl. I'm going to melt it in the microwave. So once your butter is melted, next, this is the best part. This seriously is the crackers. So you need a large Ziploc bag, and I'm going to use 2 sleeves. It's around 2 cups of crackers, and I'm going to dump them in this bag. And then next, I'm just going to crush them up with my hands. Now this is the part, if you're cooking with kids, give them this bag and let them crush the crackers. They'll enjoy that. I like to leave some kind of bigger chunks and some small. Now I'm going to just dump this into my butter. Then I'm just going to stir and mix all that butter into the crackers. And I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. It's about, well, it's pretty much all that I have left. And then you're just going to stir all the crackers, butter, and poppy seeds until all of the crackers are coated. Okay, so now that my chicken is cooked, I just poured off the hot water and I filled the pot up a couple times with cold water just so that I can cool this chicken off enough for me to be able to shred it with my fingers. And that's just what I'm going to do, is I'm just going to shred this chicken with my fingers into this mixture. Okay, once you get all your chicken shredded, then I'm just going to mix all this together. And now I'm going to place it into a 9x13 baking dish. And then I'm just going to spread this out evenly. And next I'm going to put the poppy seed and cracker mixture and just sprinkle that all on top. Okay, just gonna pour the rest of these crackers. I'm telling you, the crackers are the best part. They are so good. I'm not sure you could have too many crackers. Now I'm just gonna spread these out evenly on top. And now I'm gonna bake this in a 375-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's hot and bubbly and the crackers are nice and browned on top. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing. Okay, this is so delicious, and I just serve it over some rice, and I have some steamed broccoli that I really hope that you give this a try, because I know that you will love it. That is so simple but delicious. And those crackers give just a good buttery crunch on top. Fantastic. Well, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.